Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel, answering a question that you have left in the comments. Someone told me that they have taken the vehicle to the workshop and that they have been told that it has a fault in the TPS sensor, which it is the throttle position sensor or throttle position sensor. What symptoms do you have? Well, the vehicle walking on the road says that it feels that it is jerking. Sometimes it even shows that only the vehicle is accelerating. Without pressing the accelerator, the vehicle accelerates, and especially now that fuel consumption has increased, well, yes, those are the main symptoms of failure in this sensor. This sensor is located in the throttle body, and this would be located up here. How it works: when accelerates, here go the cable accelerator, the vehicle accelerates and opens the butterfly, which allows is that the more airflow into the open. 2. See this piece, good moves, well, this piece is where to go. The sensor is the TPS, and it is the one that through this movement gives the information to the AQ of the exact position of the throttle. By giving that position, the AQ knows that it has to enter the exact amount of fuel, depending on the entry of the volume of air that enters the cylinders. Then of course, if this part fails, the AQ does not know exactly how much fuel it has to introduce, then it can introduce more fuel or less fuel. That is why sometimes we notice how the vehicle is jerking. Also that it can stay accelerated, and you will also notice that increase in fuel, increased fuel consumption. This in particular because it leads to 4 pins. I do not know if they will be seen, but it has 4 pins. There are others that have 3 pins, also depending on the vehicle model. Well, this is how this sensor works, and those are the usual failures that this sensor usually gives. Well, if the video has been useful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.